guys and gals, so this is my first Roblox video. Shout out to you, sir. But this is my first video back after a while and everything. I am okay, I'm alive. I don't really know what to say. I'm sorry for not uploading. I've just been so busy, especially with school starting and everything, and my birthday just passed on Thursday. I'm now 17. Yay, I guess. Oh, hello. Crazy Robloxian. Kill me last second. I see how it is. Anyway, so today we're pretty much doing Survive the Disasters, which is pretty fun to play and everything. Sir, why are you shooting me? Survived. Anyway, I gotta go over there and get my last thing. Sorry for not talking during that. It's just I get really focused. My glowing ninja stars. So yeah, pretty much. I'm really sorry for not uploading and everything. I'm so sorry, guys. I feel horrible. But Friday I donated blood for my first time, and I'll be saving 3 lives because of it. So yay! Kudos to that, I guess. So, let me know how you guys been down in the comment section below. And also, another reason why I haven't been uploading is because I pretty much, lost interest. There was, nothing I could do. I went through, a complete recorder block. I didn't know what to upload. I didn't have any ideas or anything. So, it was, I pretty much went off the grid for a while because it was, I need time to think of what I'm going to upload. Because, I really do care about making you guys happy. So I'm just recording some of this for you guys. And I dodged it! Yay! So, yeah. Pretty much that's all I got, guys. That's all I can really say. I feel like crying because I feel so bad for not uploading. I'm also sick currently, so yay to that. I'm no longer going to be having an intro because, I have my own reasons. It's because my editing program really isn't working, so, oh yay bombs. Time to go for shelter. Oh no. I'm getting bombed then. Can you stop bombing me? Stop bombing this beautiful structure because you want to get to me. No! That beautiful structure was so beautiful. But shout out to everybody that I'm playing with, so everybody right here. And if you want to add me, I am Murder Mystery Crazy. Mystery spelled with M-I-S-T-E-R-Y because Murder Mystery spelled the correct way was taken, so I had to do that. So yeah, that's my life. Cha 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 cha. That looks like a hat that would be in Minecraft. Oh my god, it's a zombie. It looks like a Minecraft zombie just because of the square head. So yeah. Here, let me do this. So yeah, I give everyone a chance to get a shout out and everything. I always like being up here. So shout out to everyone who comes over and says hi. So yeah, Rip Ducko, Rip Epic Duck. Doesn't even get a chance to kill anybody because you kill it before it kills anybody else. Oh, the Illuminati! Oh my god! Hide from the Illuminati. Wait, I don't think he can get it. It just destroys the house. By the way, if you hear a lot of blowing, it's because my fan is on and everything. It's like, I need to cool down my body temperature and everything because I currently have a 102 fever and I'm making a recording, so yeah. But yeah, I really don't know what to say. I have like nothing to say. Hot potato. Hot potato! It's the hot potato, man. I actually need to go down here. I don't want to come down. Play with the hot potato. Come at me, hot potato, please. I want you to attack me. Come at me, hot potato. Please. Please come at me. Please come at me, hot potato. I really want you to come at me. You're not going to come at me from here. Oh, I could jump on this thing again. I love how fast I can make it turn. Oh, raining nukes. Oh, I died. I couldn't defend myself against the noobs. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I love how much fun I have on this game for no reason. Okay. Just respawn me when I already died. I currently have like the 3rd most points in the game and I plan on trying to get the 1st. Even though that will probably be impossible because of Master Boy. Because he's really good at this game. Oh, I'm a chicken wing! Got a blast! Oh my god, I'm sorry. I'm gonna be a chicken wing on top of the chicken. We're all chicken wings. We'll remain chicken wings until we go to the next map and then it'll respawn us. Oh my god, it's the Illuminati again. We'll go back there. Whee! Oh my gosh, Illuminati chill. We get it, you're mad, but stop. Oh god. I just swear I'm going to hell for this. If you have Robux, that doesn't mean anything. I'm a baby. My baby too, it's okay. It's okay, baby. Oops, I spelled doesn't wrong. It's like over here it's always a madhouse. I would like... Oh my god, let me get my crap! I got stuff that I don't even want. I mean, wait, hold on. I have 12, so like I can go up to this thing. My goodness. Alright, see you guys. Got a blast. Got a blast. I'm gonna just chill up here and watch everybody like slowly die. Oh my god, that was so close! Oh my god, where am I? Take me back! Oh my gosh. Where am I? Oh my god! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Well guys, I'm gonna end the video here with this amazing glitch that I don't know how I did. I'll see you all in the next video. I love you guys. Remember to like and subscribe. Recommend my channel to other people, please, because, you know, I need more views. Because I want to make more people happy in the world. And I hope you all have an amazing day. And I hope you all can forgive me for being so absent. Love you guys. Bye-bye. Oh my god. My video... It won't stop! Alright, if it stops randomly, that's because my thing finally ran out. No. You're in my video. Say hi. Oh yeah, so if the video ends randomly, you guys, it's because my thing won't work. Let me reset my character so I can actually be back in the game. Oh my god, what happened here? Time bums. God, I hate it. I love these. And now we have a quick opening. Quick way to move so people can't get up. Oh my gosh. We're all gonna die. Stay off my head, please. The video is gonna end in like 30 seconds, so thank you guys so much for watching. I already said that, but please forgive me for not uploading. I love you guys so much, and I am so sorry. I feel so bad. I'll see you all in the next video, I guess. Ooh, loot the coins! Let's get the coins, get the coins, get the coins. Oh, oof, oof, oof. Oh my gosh, this person, oh my god, they have like VIP. Anyway, bye guys, I love you so much!